T stands facing right in the overhand, same time, cap. And then let's turn 360 to the left, back to the cap. And then let's swivel to underhand, swivel back to overhand, swivel to underhand, swivel back to overhand, into the overhand weave, turn left to the underhand weave, come up to pinwheel, extension, 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 and now on this next extension, do a turn to the left and a 360, coming back into the pinwheel, turn right into the overhand weave, turn right into the underhand weave, and then underhand cap, same time, and then let's do a 360 to the right, and a 360 to the left. And then let's turn to the left in the 4 petal, same time. Actually, I guess 4 petal together time. Anti-spin, right? You should look opposite me. We're underhand here. I had you do a 360, I think, to the left and then a 360 to the right, whichever way it was. Then I wanted you to turn to your left and go into a counterclockwise together time anti-spin 4 petal flower. Do your anti-spin flower, which goes to the left first. Okay, and then come down, turn to the left another 90 degrees into the together time overhand cap. And then what we're gonna do is turn left into the clockwise anti-spin 4 petal. So it's down, right, up, left. Then we're gonna turn left into the underhand together time. Then we're gonna turn left again and repeat that 4 times around. So we're gonna turn left to the counterclockwise. And when we turn left, watch me before you turn. When we turn left, we're gonna come from, if you pop over here, you're down on the bottom, then you're gonna go left to go up. So as you turn, you go left. Now turn left again into the overhand cap, and then turn left again into the clockwise anti-spin, bottom right, top left, and then turn left again to the underhand version. And now we're gonna sweep over the top, double stall between the legs, come out underhand here on the right side. Now we're gonna turn left, and as you turn left, go up to the left side in the anti-spin flower. Turn left again into the overhand. So we're doing the same thing, just facing the other way now, so you can see me on the other one. Then turn left again to clockwise. And then it's down, right, up, left when you do that one. And then we're gonna turn left again to underhand. And underhand weave. Turn left to overhand weave. Turn right to underhand weave. Turn left to overhand weave. Open it up, chase the sun. Again, a 3rd time, and then on the 4th time, come up to pinwheel. Then we're gonna make it big. And again, and now do a lockout, and then do a lockout. Now we're gonna do a lockout with a barrel roll turn, so come behind your back and then in front of you and then back to the pinwheel. So you lock out, turn 180, lock out behind, turn 180, and you're back to the front. Do I need to break that one down more? Do you know that one? I think you just did, if I'm accurate, I think what you did was you did a lockout here, and then as you turned, it was a lockout here, and then a lockout here. Okay, I'm doing it slightly differently. That is a valid 2-petal flower turn. It is not quite the same as the barrel turn. The idea with the barrel turn is there's a barrel here, and you are rotating your body over the barrel and keeping the poi behind you on this part of the turn instead of going in front of you. So it's behind, front to back. Which, if I faced you, what you would notice is my body never blocks the poi. Versus the version you did where you went like this, then you moved it to this side of your body and then to here. So just a distinction. And let's turn to the right twice and then turn left into the overhand weave. And then we're gonna lock out on the left, lock out on the right, lock out on the left. Now we're gonna lock out on the right and we're gonna do that turn again. So then turn, turn, and back to the weave. And then lock out left, lock out right, lock out left. Now lock out right and then turn in the barrel turn. 1, 2, 3, back to weave. Now go into overhand same time. And now we're going to swivel the cap to the right, swivel back to the left, swivel to the right, swivel back to the left, and do a 360 to the right and a 360 to the left. Back to overhand cap and overhand weave, and then overhand giant, swivel back and forth and counterclockwise. Come out underhand giant on the right, underhand weave, left turn 360, right turn 360, underhand circles on the side, same time, up and over in the chase the sun counterclockwise. And on this fourth one, we're gonna come up to pinwheel, make it big, make it big, make it big. Now lock out in front, back to extension, lock out to extension, lock out to extension. Now this next extension, just do a turn. So we're gonna pirouette around, back into the pinwheel, turn to underhand weave, right turn 360 to underhand, back to the same time cap, left turn 360, right turn 360, underhand weave, left turn to overhand weave, open it up, stall the left one between the legs, overhand butterfly, angel twice, split time butterfly, same time, take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left, right goes under the leg, left goes under the leg, angel up, make it big, back to regular, thread the needle, plane shift it up over the head, bring the right poi back, oops, tap your butt, counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up to pinwheel, down into overhand weave on the left, turn right 360, turn left 360, back to cap together time, come around in the swivel, back in the swivel, around to the right in the swivel, and then drop stall over your shoulder,